Alright, so I'm back with another tutorial about computer network and everything about PC related. I have to apologize you guys because I was absent for a while, and this video is actually explaining why I was not making any videos recently. First of all, a lot of personal issues, but hopefully and luckily they are less and less than before. But the good news is I have upgraded my laptop, which was an Intel-based CPU, to a powerful personal PC. And this one is Ryzen 9. So since the upgrade, I was not able to make any content because the whole virtualization platform was broken. I could not run any EVE-NG. I could not run any nested virtualization after the upgrade. I knew that I should be able to use nested virtualization with the new Ryzen generation, but I was not able to. I searched the whole internet, I spent months on it, days, months, hours, and I couldn't fix it. At some point I gave it up. I started using Hypervisor, GNS3, and they were not sufficient, not useful in my case. They were so basic. So after a while I said, this has to be changed. Then I returned to the old procedure, installed VMware Workstation, and tried to run EVE-NG again. And I again had the same issue. I could not run nested virtualization, which was very surprising me. So I spent another day and week on it, and I finally made it to run nested virtualization on AMD Ryzen CPUs. So I know a lot of you guys have this issue. Let me quickly show how to fix it. The first step is to check if SVM is enabled and SVM guard is disabled in your BIOS. At the time of the booting the PC, you have to constantly press delete or escape, then you enter your BIOS. And in advanced CPU options, something similar, you can find an option about AMD SVM, which is the same AMD-V or Intel nested virtualization, Intel VT, I think, I don't remember it exactly. So by enabling this, you should be able to have nested virtualization. This is the first step. The second step is to run a command, which I will show you right now, in CMD as administrator. So this is the command, bcdedit set hypervisor blah blah blah. I will paste it in the comments so you can just quickly copy and paste it and run it. I was running this, and as you see, it says operation completed successfully. But at the end, after rebooting my PC, when I run system info, I could get this error: Hyper-V requirements. A hypervisor has been detected. Feature requires for Hyper-V will not be displayed. So this actually means the hypervisor, the Hyper-V is still running somewhere and it's not fully uninstalled. Let me tell you, if you want to run VMware Workstation in nested virtualization, you can have whether Hyper-V installed or VMware Workstation. So in this case, I would prefer to use VMware Workstation, and I was not able to run it because VMware Workstation provides really complex networking features. You can have a lot of virtual switch. In total, in general, I'm so working with it in ease. I have no problem. I prefer it over Hyper-V. Of course, Hyper-V has a lot of features to offer, can be dominant in some cases over VMware Workstation, but that's my preference. So anyway, I have run it and I could not disable it. Then the second step was to go to Windows features, where you just search Windows features. Yeah, turn Windows features on or off, and this window will pop up. And there you have to disable Hyper-V, which in my case, where was it? This was off, and then you have to turn off Windows Hypervisor platform, and this one, and virtual machine platform, which I don't have it here. Yeah, it's here, sorry. And Windows Subsystem for Linux, and this all four were off. And even after turning off everything, rebooting, running system info, I still got the same error. So that means I could not run nested virtualization anymore. Another reason could be having Docker installed on your PC, which was not the case for me. I did not install Docker on my PC, so that was clear. But if you have installed it, that might be one of the root causes. The next remediation is to have disabling core isolation. It should be this one. If you type just Windows security, yeah, this will pop up and you have to go to device security, core isolation. You have to turn off memory integrity. This prevents you to run nested virtualization. This is another remediation method, and if you have turned it off and again having the same issue, just follow it up with the next one. The next one is to disable credential guard and DeviceGuard in Windows. Actually, this was my issue because apparently this DeviceGuard and credential guard is using some virtualization technology, as mentioned here, that prevents you prevents bad actors to do some stuff. But anyway, in overall, I had to disable it, and after disabling this one, my issue was completely gone. So you have to run PowerShell as administrator and run a bunch of commands, which I will paste it in the comments, and then this will turn off everything. So you can now, after rebooting your PC, you can start running nested virtualization in VMware Workstation. I searched the whole internet for days and days. I couldn't find a solution for this one, but I'm glad that I found it and I can share it with you guys. Let me know if this helped you. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And now the issues are gone. I can make more videos about FortiGate, Ansible, and other stuff. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.